Hi friends, so in this video we will only talk about approaches to find uterine artery, lateral and medial to the IPL, and third, a window technique, details of which we will discuss in later videos. This is called lateral approach because when we start cutting the peritoneum and when we start going retroperitoneally, we are starting lateral to the IPL ligament. We are cutting the round ligament here. So this approach is more suitable when we have to remove the ovaries. Now I am cutting parallel to the IPL. We can see the external iliac artery. Now we have to find the ureter first. And as soon as we find the ureter, boom, this is the uterine artery. So now we are being medial to the IPL ligament. This approach is also called endometriosis approach because it is used in endometriosis surgery mostly. So you pick up the peritoneum just above the ureter, start cutting. In case for TLH you can go up till uterosacral if you want. Identify the ureter, poke in the fibrofatty tissue and retract, and mostly you will see the uterine. Once you start doing those two approaches, this is just a variant of the medial approach where you pick up the peritoneum just above the ureter, put a small nick and make a window. First you have to visualize the ureter, that is it, and uterine will be just next to it. Now give parallel strokes on both the sides of uterine impression, and when you get space, insert your left hand instrument and retract the ureter. Try to get into the sheath of uterine and you can see it through the window. So remember, ureter is our guide and uterine is our goal.